Okay, so hey children, welcome to a video. So we got this box here. We got the birthday box unboxing video because this is a box for my birthday. It's a birthday box.
Oh, yo, might wanna give a full description of how well this was packaged.
Oh,
actually, wait, my address maybe don't my address is on there.
Oh, sorry.
No, that's, yeah, there we go.
So look at this packaging.
There we go. This is how it was shipped in the mail.
The package is on that.
Okay. But you need like a third hand.
You're gonna get doxxed on YouTube comments.
Oh no, not in the YouTube comment section.
Anyway, so this is the.
This is how it was shipped in like the eBay. This is how it was shipped from eBay.
Oh, it's the eBay. Oh dear.
Well, I mean, I don't know. I don't know where it was from.
Oh yeah, I wouldn't know where it's from either. So let's just get all this.
Oh yeah, I'm getting like your back. I'm getting some. Oh,
Baction.
okay. Baction.
Get some,
You'd think I was a certain Noah when I was filming it.
Let's get this tape off, bro. Oh my god. I can't even.
Dude, I have a second knife if you want to borrow one.
Oh yeah, 2 knives, double-handed.
Do you want? What do you think?
I feel like that's a bad idea.
Oh, okay.
I shouldn't see how bad it is. Hand it over.
There we go. This is
Right,
my,
so we got 2 knives now.
Okay, there you go.
We're gonna sling it.
You like chopsticks.
Oh, it's like fork and knife. Knife and knife. So, this
Dude, like
entire
fork
video is unboxing, so maybe I should speed this up. You know, give an honest review, you know, a little trolling, if I would. A little...
Oh.
It's so much tape, man.
What could it be? What could it be?
You know, I don't know what this is. I don't know what this is. Wait a second. Is that famous Nerf blaster? Yeah, take 2 whole magazines.
Oh yeah.
Is that famous Nerf blaster Thermal Hunter?
Could it be?
Actually, I don't know.
What does it say?
Oh, it has your address on it.
Oh, okay. This is. Why is there? Okay, there's a card inside of it. More darts. Holy cow, dude! You're getting
Dude,
you're getting a great deal. No way.
Anyway, so yeah, welcome to my epic unboxing video. Gang violence right here.
UK gang violence? No way.
Subscribe, bro.
Do you want me to keep on filming or stuck? Oh.